Hi! Welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. First, we will explain the product's main features. Then we will walk you through the assembly steps, making it easier for you to assemble the product on your own. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The new O.M.R.A OM-4865 electric pasta press is a device designed for home production of fresh pasta, distinguished by its build quality and reliability. Entirely made in Italy, this model is equipped with a 370-watt motor, operating at 1,400 revolutions per minute with a 4-pole structure, providing power and versatility to handle even the most demanding preparations. The auger, made of aluminum, is designed to deliver a homogeneous dough, ensuring perfectly textured pasta. The transmission system, made up of nylon gears, is known for its durability and resistance to wear, ensuring smooth and continuous operation with minimal maintenance required. The press is powered at 230 volts, allowing for safe and consistent use. This model is ideal for preparing various types of pasta, including tagliatelle and spaghetti, with maximum simplicity. Thanks to its robust construction and advanced technical features, the new O.M.R.A OM-4865 represents the perfect choice for those who wish to produce fresh pasta professionally and without compromise. Now for the product assembly guide. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.